Hello everyone, this is an honor for me can present my research in the events from international language education, invention, innovation, design, and exposition in 2025. This is my research entitled Assessing the Effectiveness of Text-to-Speech Application on Enhancing Listening Comprehension and Student Engagement, a quasi-experimental study. This research explore and assess how technology, in particular AI-powered text-to-speech tools, can be applied to improve English language learning in the classroom. Okay, we come to the introduction and objectives. In English as a foreign language, EFL learning, listening is one of the most challenging skills for students to master. Many learners struggle to understand native like pronunciation, intonation, or speed of speech. At the same time, keeping students engaged during listening activities is another challenge for teachers. This research investigates the use of TTS Maker and AI-powered text-to-speech application in senior high school in Indonesia. The objectives are twofold. First, to evaluate whether TTS can significantly improve student listening comprehension, and the second, to see if it can foster higher engagement and participation during lesson. By comparing this tool with more traditional teaching methods, we aim to highlight its potential benefits in real classroom practice. And then we come to the novelty. What makes this research unique is its approach to breaking away from conventional tools like CD steps or teacher recording audio. Instead, it introduced TTS Maker, which can generate high-quality natural sounding voices with different accents. This offers students more variety and authenticity in their listening practice. The findings indicate not only improvement but exceptionally strong results both in comprehension and engagement. In fact, the effect sizes were larger than many other technology-based interventions previously studied in EFL context. This suggests that AI-generated audio may be a highly effective innovation for language education. And then for the components. Now, let's look at the core components of the study. TTS Maker provides several features. It converts text into clear audio, supports multiple languages and accents, and allows teachers to adjust speed and tone according to the student's level. For evaluation, two main tools were used, pre-test and post-test, to measure comprehension gains and classroom observations to record how actively students engage with the learning activities. The research was conducted using a quasi-experimental design. That means there were both a control group which used traditional listening materials and an experimental group which used TTS Maker. This design ensured that the results could be compared rigorously and objectively. Yeah, for the application, one of the greatest advantages of TTS Maker is its scalability and affordability. Since it is freely accessible and easy to use. It can be adopted even in school with limited resources. It also supports inclusive learning, as students with different learning style or abilities can benefit from repeated listening or adjusted playback speeds. Therefore, TTS Maker is not only practical but also adaptable. It can complement existing curricula and open up new opportunities for language learning, not just in Indonesia but also in other EFL contexts around the world. And then for the future pathway, looking to the future, this research suggests several exciting directions beyond listening. TTS Maker can be integrated for vocabulary learning, pronunciation practice, and reading fluency. It could serve as an all-in-one platform for language input practice. So, to conclude, this study shows that TTS Maker has strong potential to enhance listening comprehension and student engagement in EFL classroom. By offering authentic, flexible, and accessible audio materials, it provides a valuable alternative to traditional approaches. Hopefully, this research can inspire further exploration of AI-powered tools in education, especially in the field of language learning. Okay, thank you for watching.